Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is scraperwiki, and scraperwiki's got well, I've got a lot of ideas on scraperwiki. Namely, the tutorials could really be beefed up, if only for the reason I can't get any of them to work. So I've been looking at other working scrapes like this one. This is going to pull down the Premier League table. Oh. Well, it did pull down Premier League table. Actually, I think this is a typo. So I looked at this initially and I've never heard of SHTTP. So I'm going to copy paste the one that I found that worked. Let's put that in here. Just like that. That should work. Let's run it again. Starting run. Looks like it's working. Okay, so here's the data. It prints out a nice table, and it does work. So what it does, if we take a look at the code itself, I'm using Chromium, and I couldn't figure out the R2, R1 until I see the R1 and R2 right here. If row get class in table. Now I didn't find, I found a table instance right there, table. And initially I had trouble seeing the tr class R2, R1, R2, mostly because I had this wide open. So not enough can be said for poking around, looking for what something should work and doesn't. Alright, so and what it does is that it pulls the row contents, POS, team, GD, points, and then it prints all of that information, the data. And what I would like to be able to do is the same thing using this. I want to grab this table. It's a very simple table. And maybe I just need to do it by grabbing the H4s, because the H4s, except here, it goes to B, and there it's TD, let's see, we go all the way up, that's a TR, that's the TD for that, and the TD for this. It's not highlighting this part here. Let's go down a little more. So, but here it's a B because it has a link inside, I presume. Yes, it has a link, so that's why it's different. Not a TD anymore, it's a B. So I'll scroll down a little bit more. International. It does highlight briefly. There it goes. Well, alright, so there. TD, international. We'll do that one more time here. TD. This has a link inside of it, so we're going to expect a B, which is what we have. And there's the B. So if it has a link, it's B. If it doesn't have a link, let's see, is there any other? Yeah, Catalonia Tourist Board. Catalonia Tourist Board right here does not have a link, and that's a TD. So how would you scrape this site? Any help would be greatly appreciated. I'm going to use this as my basis. I'm going to save the notes and then go out to my dashboard. Let's see, I think yeah, this one doesn't work, so I'm going to create a new one. And try again. So It's Antor mice table scrape. Thanks for watching, and happy computing. If you know anything about scraping or scraperwiki, please go build some tutorials, make some screencasts. There's so much power here, but the power is locked up in programmers' brains, and mere mortals like myself may not be able to achieve the greatness that these guys have done. So help out if you can. Thank you, and happy computing.